This video I will teach you step by step on how to pay and receive money using GCASH QR code. Before we begin, I'm Mark, one of Noel IT staff. Welcome to Noel Out channel. This is the right place where you can know more about IT related stuff. How to earn money online, save money by getting to know free app and website. This video you will learn the 3 types of QR code in GCash app features. Number 1. Receive money via QR code. It's mean you will be generating QR code from your GCash app to be scanned by a person that will pay you. Number 2. Is to pay using QR code. This time, you will generating code to pay them, and third one is to pay merchant QR code. This last option is to scan store QR code to pay the store the item you want to purchase. Receive money via QR code. Open GCash app. Tap QR. Let us select Receive money via QR code. This is now the QR code you've just generated. Because this is your first time generated your code, you cannot see this nickname. Tap the pencil icon to edit details. Type in your desired nickname you want to identify. Next is to type in the amount you need to receive. Tap Save. You now have a personal QR code. Scroll down to see the download and share option. You can choose to save by tapping Download. Okay, it was saved on your photo gallery, so you can open it anytime to show it to certain person who are going to pay you by scanning this code. You can generate new code over and over again and edit nickname and amount details. This time, we are going to tap the share option. This option is you can choose any of this to send the code. You can send via Messenger, email, Bluetooth, SMS, and Facebook story or Facebook post. How to pay using QR code. This time let us select Pay using QR code. This is the QR code you've just created. Tap Payment Method. You can check the payment option. You will see here the Cash and GCash payment method. Now, you can show this QR code to the store or merchant that you are going to pay for. Scan and review the details and tap Pay. How do I pay merchants via QR code? Don't get confused with these 2 options. In this case, the merchant has its own code. All you have to do is scan the merchant or store QR code using a phone with a QR code reader. Align your phone's camera to the store's QR code to scan it. Make sure the QR code is within the frame. Review all the details. Then, tap Send. You will see in your app receipt and receive an SMS receipt to confirm your transaction. That's it, guys. I hope you like our tutorial today. By the way, guys, I made this video with the help of Canva Pro, so if you want to know how I used it for free, I put the link above so you can watch the tutorial here. And you know what? Your 1 subscription is a giant lift of motivation for me to continue this channel. So please like and share and subscribe. Thank you and God bless, and see you next time. Bye.